Losing my hair really affected my confidence more than anything. Hair transplant surgery was the only real option that is available today. My procedure lasted about 5 hours. The staff was very friendly. There was literally no pain during the procedure. The results are amazing. I mean, I couldn't be happier with the results from the first procedure that I had. The investment was worth it to me. I recommend Dr. Bolton to anybody that I talk about. I thank Dr. Bolton for giving me back my, my confidence and my hair and my looks and everything.
17 or 18, I noticed my hairline was receding. I came here because I saw his website. The technology here, guys, is so much more advanced. And I'm telling you, this is the most effective procedure I've ever done. You look in the mirror and your attitude changes. I'm more confident at work. I'm better in social life, meeting people. Beyond their friendly attitude, I consider it almost like a family here. With other procedures, I've spent 3 to 4 times more than what I've spent in one procedure here. I love you, man. Seriously, you changed my life.
I found Dr. Bolton, and after one attempt, my result was dramatic. You get the greatest bang for your buck. The way he attempts it is to get the best result at that time. And I've been very happy, and I can't say a negative word about it. It's a true blessing. Don't believe that I had this result in one sitting. I'd like to thank him. I'm just overwhelmed and over grateful.
What you see right now, it's two different person from before and now. I'm really happy with what's going on right now. Only at 4 months. It was something like, I don't know, magical. In a matter of like 2-3 months, my hair was growing. People are amazed when they see me. They're like, where's the old Nestor? I don't think you will find anywhere else to go if you don't come here. He is the man for this job. I just want to say, don't hold back. If you're losing your hair and you really want to be confident with yourself, come here and get yourself, get a procedure done, and you will be happy with what you're going to get.